pek weche mag duoko piny nengo uchumi, chiwo thuolo mag tich, bero sekta mar somo, thieth kaachiel kod bero sekta mar pur e kind mamoko. Omedo bende ni sirikand Kenya Kwanza osechiwo sir ne ohelni matindo, chal ma bende osechiwo thuolo mag tich ne oganda mathoth.
Kenya itasimama, Kenya itanawiri kwa umoja na uzalendo. It is important to note that a lot of milestones have been covered to make good to the president's election pledges to Kenyans. In all these milestones, the government's focus has mainly been on job creation, not to mention agricultural transformation for food security and eventually lowering the cost of living. Tuna kazi ama ajira zaidi ya 9,000 ambazo zitaweza kufanyika, na pia tumehakikisha kwamba katika ule mpango wetu wa nyota tutahakikisha kwamba vijana zaidi ya 1,100 wameweza kufundishwa kazi vile ambavyo watafanya biashara, na kila